Hello students, I welcome you to the first episode of chapter Light. The human eye. The human eye is a light sensitive organ which enables us to see the beautiful world around us. The eyelids act as the shutter of the eye and protect them from injury or prevent any object from entering the eye. Eyelids also shut out light when not required. The eyeball is almost like a spherical ball. It has a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. The outer part of the eye is composed of three layers of tissues, namely sclera, choroid, and retina. Let us discuss the structure and function of each part of the eye. Sclera. It is the outermost covering of the eye. It is made of white, tough fibrous tissues. It protects the vital internal parts of the eye. Cornea. The sclera layer continues in the front of the eye as the cornea. This is a transparent white portion of the eye which covers the transparent bulge on the surface of the eyeball. It allows the light to enter in the eyeball. Iris and pupil. Behind the cornea is the iris. It lends color to the eye. The iris has a central circular aperture called the pupil. The iris regulates the amount of the light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil in the following way. If the light is dim, the iris makes the pupil expand in order to allow more light to enter the eye. If the light is bright, the iris makes the pupil contract in order to decrease the amount of light entering the eye. The iris consists of muscles that expand and contract the pupil. The eye lens. It is a transparent crystalline double convex lens situated just behind the iris. It is held in its position with the help of ciliary muscles. Retina. It is the innermost delicate membrane having a large number of nerve cells called rods and cones. It acts like a screen for the image to be formed. The cones are sensitive to color, while the rods are sensitive to the intensity of light. Optic nerve. Optic nerve are about 1 million separate nerve fibers that connect the rods and cones of the retina to the brain. Its function is to carry optical messages in the form of electric signals to the brain. Now let us understand the working of the human eye. The light coming from an object enters the eye through the cornea and the pupil and falls on the eye lens. The lens focuses the light rays to form an inverted image on the retina. The rods and cones of the retina get activated and generate electric signals. Optic nerves send electrical signals to the brain. The brain interprets these signals and renders the erect image of the object. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot. This is called the blind spot of the eye. I hope this has helped you in understanding the structure and functioning of the human eye. Thank you.